Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And I'm out here on a secret lake in North Georgia. I ain't gonna say where. Me and my brother Ron. We've been in the spotted bass day a little bit. Trying to find a whitefish, but we hadn't found any yet. But hopefully y'all like the footage and hopefully we'll catch one before we leave today. So y'all stay with us. There you go. I'll get this right out of your way. This other rod up over here, look, we're getting shallow. That's the down line, go reel it up. Okay. Come here. And bring him over here. Swallow it always is goofy. Nice little fish this morning. Good fish this morning. Not what we're looking for, but we'll take it. There we go. Coming around. Another good spotted bass. That's a largemouth. That's a largemouth. I think. Well, that was all of a sudden. Catching the spots today. Not exactly what we're looking for. They do like this bait though. We got another one on the planer board. That's what I thought. Oh shoot. There's your hook. A deep channel. 18. Oh, dang, you're 16 feet of water. 15 rounds. 15. Can you grab me the net? The leader's too long, I can't. Oh goodness. Help me. That's good fish. Boy, he's gone. Huh? Your planer board's going too, unless you just hit it. Yeah, it's going.
Spots are here anyway. School of them off to our left right now.
I can't do nothing out there.
I'll bring us around. Yeah, they're all off to the left. I'm gonna swing us around. Under us right now.
I can't do it right now.
You can
Move it right.
trying to get to the bottom. Oh, you got one. Somewhere. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, get 2 or 3.
I hope that's bait.
That's bait. Oh yeah, it's covered right here. You may hit the mother load. Looks like the net went right down top of it.
Whoa, go back to left, go back to left.
What?
I want to get in the middle of this mess. Put that rod down right there. The other rod.
Yeah, you got they need to pull back over.
Oh,
Oh, you up with some
bait.
got some?
Yeah.
Wow.
There's a big old thread there too. You got one on too? What I got? Where's the net at? Where's the net? There. Step up. That was the same size as mine. What about that? Woo! Lord mercy. Up, right front, right front. Gotta get a strap on Ronnie's got one on now.
And we lost one.
And we lost one. I'm gonna throw mine in the live well here.
Got the net?
Yeah. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh, I broke something.
You may be able to cut a whole cord of firewood off this one.
I got a 3.5 pounder. Oh, look at that. Woo!
Oh yeah.
Look
You
at that.
can make a lot of toothpicks out of that.
3 pounder.
You got my trout. Going fast.
You got my trout. All right. So we have finished up our day of fishing. And I am headed home. We have been up here for 9 hours. Now we had 3 stripers. One got off at the boat, but I'm gonna count it because we're here at Sneaky Lake. So, and I'm gonna call it Sneaky Lake because I don't want everybody to know where I'm at. But whenever I can get out with my brother and everything, oh, it's always a good day. Just we have a good time talking and carrying on, and plus we got to catch fish today. The spotted bass and largemouth bass were really nice, so I'll take it. But anyway, I'm gonna end it right there. Hope y'all enjoyed the footage, and please subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell to be notified. Hit that like. Leave me a comment. If you get out with your family members and fish or hunt or do activities like that, let me know. I'd like to know. I really enjoy it. I wish my kid could have been here to enjoy today too. But anyway, we'll end it right there, and until the next video, thanks for watching.